In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the font size of a formula in LibreOffice Math step by step so you can make your equations easier to read and better formatted for documents, reports, and presentations. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice and go to the formula you want to edit. If you already have a math document open, just click into the formula area so you can begin making changes. The formula needs to be selected before you can adjust its formatting properly. Once the formula is selected, look over to the right side of the window and find the Properties tab. This is where LibreOffice Math keeps the formatting controls for your formula. In the Properties panel, you'll see different options that let you adjust how the formula appears on the page. Now locate the font size setting. Click on the font size value and change it to the size you want. You can increase it to make the formula larger and more readable, or reduce it if you need it to fit better within your document layout. As you make the change, the formula should update so you can see the result right away. If the formula still doesn't look quite right, you can also adjust the spacing settings. Look for options like line spacing and root spacing because these can make a big difference in how the formula is displayed. Increasing or decreasing these values can help formulas look cleaner, especially if they include fractions, roots, or stacked expressions. Take a moment to test a few different sizes and spacing values until the formula looks exactly how you want it to. This is really useful when you need your math content to match the rest of your document style or make it more accessible for readers. Once you're happy with the formatting, you're done. That's how you increase the font size of a formula in LibreOffice Math and fine-tune the spacing for a cleaner result. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.